Amidst the impasse between the Meghalaya College Teachers Association MCTA and North Eastern Hill University NEHU over the implementation of the National Education Policy 2020 continues, the college teachers announced a non-cooperation movement. Breaking the ice over the issue, Education Minister Rakame Sangma said the decision should be taken keeping in mind the welfare of the students. The Education Minister stated that there is ramification and the consequence of not starting NEP 2020 this year.
So we can understand the ramification and the consequence of not starting this year. Of course, there will be problems, challenges with the institutions. But when the change happening, there is always some issues and challenges. But as a government, we are here to support our institutions, and we will find a way how to support our institutions in implementing if they decide so this year.